you getting enough protein? That is what we're going to talk about today. And I'll also share with you how to calculate your protein needs. So you'll either need to rewatch this or take a picture of the slide or what have you, but I want to make sure that you get this formula in order to calculate your protein needs. All right, this video is for you if you are a woman over 40. I am Robin Muhammad Nutritionist, and I help women over 40 meet their nutrition needs and mitigate symptoms and concerns related to the pause. And when I say pause, that's perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. So beyond. Protein is super, super important for us in midlife. It is a key food. Eating adequate protein during this age can help keep our metabolism running smoothly and keep our weight at bay. And as a result, it gives us better physical performance. The more muscle that we have, the faster our metabolism is. And experts have found that after 40, muscle mass can decline up to 8% every 10 years. So this is important for us. And to give you some ideas of what protein sources are, and I'm talking about complete protein sources. And so beans you would not see on the list. Beans have protein in it, but not a complete protein. And I am speaking of 4 to 5 ounces. Not that you can have more, but just to give you a general amount. Grilled, baked, broiled, pan-seared. So you can do tempeh, tofu, eggs white, chicken breasts, turkey breasts, ground turkey, lean ground beef. Now, let me say this, I'm going through the list. Some of you might be all plant-based. Some of you may be pescatarian. Some of you may not eat red meat. I mean, we do all the things. So I'm listing just general, and obviously you wouldn't eat what doesn't fit your values or what your dietary needs are at the time. But you can do lamb, salmon, trout, anchovies, mackerel, tuna, swordfish, sardines, herring. So seafood is all good. Bison, buffalo, Cornish hens, shellfish, duck, nitrate-free deli meats. Not really big on deli meats, but if you're going to do it, go with it nitrate-free. Cottage cheese. I didn't put Greek yogurt here, but Greek yogurt could be on this list. Protein powder. And another thing that I did not put on the list is pork, and I'm going to leave it at that. I would not, and I do not recommend pork. But if you eat pork, I'm not mad at you. I just am not going to put it here. But those are the various protein options. And I'm going to talk a little bit more with you about protein powders, because I certainly use protein powders to supplement my protein needs. When you calculate your protein needs, important thing is to check with your doctor regarding your protein needs if you have chronic kidney disease or any other kidney-related ailments. All right, so that's important for me to say. And here's the calculation. So for example, if your goal weight is 145, so whatever your goal weight is, not the weight you are, but the weight that is your goal, you times it by 0.73. It gives you an amount, and that means that's what you'll aim for. It's not exact, but it gives you an approximation of what to look for. So in this case, for this example, that could be 3 meals of about 30 grams of protein and 1 protein-rich snack, which is about 15 grams. So that gives you an approximate. And if you're doing animal protein, you really can get that. Like 1 chicken breast could give you the amount of protein that you need for it to hit 30 grams. So as you listen to this, I have a couple more things to share with you, but I encourage you or ask you to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I love comments, and I, to the best of my ability, will comment back. If you have questions, I will answer them. And tell a friend. I'm always here a few times a week releasing new videos, always dedicated to us women over 40. Also, I have created a menu, specifically a meal plan, nutrition guide, weekly menus, organized and nutritionally balanced for you, the woman over 40, that takes the guesswork out of it. So everyone that becomes a member of the Necessary Nutrition community, the first thing you get is the Pause Nutrition Plan. And again, it's sketched out for you. So you're getting enough calcium and magnesium and protein and all of the things that your body needs as a woman in midlife. And the details about more about that and how you can become a member of Necessary Nutrition will be in the description. All right. So protein powder. I use protein powder very often. They're not all created the same, but using protein powder can be a great way to supplement your protein needs so that you can get enough. Whey protein is dairy based. So if you know that you're not doing dairy, then you would want to stay away from protein or whey protein. And when I say all of these protein powders are not created equal, some of them have additives and all kinds of things that may not serve you. So you really want to become a label reader to kind of determine, and it gets tricky. And I hope to do a video about reading labels in the near future. So whey protein, if you don't do dairy, that is one you do not want to do. And I no longer do whey protein. There are soy-based protein powders, and as a matter of fact, I do a soy-based protein powder daily because it helps with our health as women. So soy can help with balancing our hormones and hot flashes and all of those things, but you want to get very high quality soy. I will also put the link to the brand that I use. The brand that I use for the soy-based protein is not Necessary Nutrition. I use another company's protein powder, but I'm going to write that down to make sure that you get that if you have interest in that. Again, I use it because it's beneficial for women's health. I also use pea protein. So with the soy, let me say this, soy is a complete protein. It has all the amino acids. You do have to be careful about the soy protein because you just want to make sure that it's high quality soy, right? So I'll give you the information about the brand that I use. And then with the pea protein, that is from Necessary Nutrition, and that is pea protein. And that one is 21 grams of protein, really high protein. And I'll use that as a snack or throughout the day. Just add a scoop with some almond milk or water and just drink it. Maybe I'll have some cauliflower on the side as a snack just to make sure that I'm getting my protein needs in. And let's see, what else do I have to tell you? I got to tell you again to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'm always willing again to answer questions for you. And here is the Necessary Nutrition plant protein that is available. Again, I use both. I use a soy base, which is not from Necessary Nutrition, and then I use the plant-based protein that is from Necessary Nutrition because this one has more higher protein content than the other one. So they have different need or different usages. The other one I use for women's health related issues to calm that down. And it is protein in it. And this one I use to supplement protein because it's high protein in quantity or grams. All right. I think that is that. Again, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will make sure to put everything that I mentioned in the description below. Peace and blessings. This is Robin from Necessary Nutrition. Eat well, think well, and be well until we meet again. Take care. Bye-bye.